So, the guy I bought this car from is 82, and he's garaged this thing for the last 15 years, and before that, some other dude garaged it for the last few other years. So, I got lucky and I found this thing on Craigslist, and I woke up at 6:30 in the morning, called this dude. First I texted him, but he didn't answer because it was a landline, so I figured the guy must be old. And I was right. Got a pretty killer deal though, $3,200 for this thing. Oh, that's a weird... Hey Dan, this bolt in the corner is weird. You gotta undo them down here, huh? With a wrench? The two bolts on the corner of the fender, joining the front bumper to the top fender. Right here is two bolts. Right? So you just gotta get that down here with a wrench. These two bolts.
Yeah.
That's a tricky one.
It is.
All right. Dan, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm this guy's neighbor. I work for Mazda. I've been a Mazda technician for almost 10 years. Now I work at Mazda Corporate. So I guess I'm helping now.
That's right. And Dan's gonna get us the parts we need to make this thing fancy again. So, surprisingly, you can still get a lot of these parts from Mazda. So, they have a program, right, in Japan where they're remaking a lot of these popular parts?
Yeah, I believe so.
Cool. How many Miatas do you have in this neighborhood?
The Miatas that belong to us, so we've got one here. We've got one in our driveway. We've got this ND, this is the third one. We've got Don's 93, that's another one. We've got my red one. That's looking out there. And then there's about maybe two more that roll around the neighborhood. Yeah, two NCs that live here. So, we've got a lot of Mazdas here.
Shit ton.
Shit ton of Miatas.
Looks like this bumper's never been removed, so that's good.
There's also a 10mm nut in each of these corners.
Which corners?
Up above, right in front of the headlight.
If we had a socket for that quarter, it probably would have worked too. Got that. One more.
And there's your stubby Phillips.
What Phillips?
That's what you need.
That's all we need? And we're off.
There, I gotta take these out.
Oh yeah.
I'll take them out for you. Free of charge.
Free of charge. Well, we still got some sunlight, so we got plenty of time to clean this bad boy. Bad girl.
Bad girl.
Bad girl. Sounds better. Sorry. Okay.
Well, today's world, bad person.
Bad.
Bad car.
So that's it?
More. Get ready to unplug. Careful. Unplug it. Bumper lens.
I need a new one of these.
Good.
Add that to my list.
Perfect.
The hell is this? Oh, whatever. What else are we hanging on? Oh, that's it. We're on the grass?
On the grass.
Nana's dad wants that.
Bumper?
Yeah.
Okay.
He said dibs.
Dibs.
So, what's that? Packed up already?
Impact deformity.
Where is... Right. 10. These things just disappeared. We're most likely not going to put this back anyways. Go. Making room. Take out the header cover too, huh?
Heat shield. That thing is pretty darn heavy.
Is it?
It's multi-layered with a fiberglass inside. Just one more over here.
Really?
Yeah. It's a real heat shield.
You know, Nana's dad took that off and used header wrap, and then he got in trouble and she got reffed with a stock exhaust manifold. It's the funniest thing in the world.
Yeah, it took 6 months to clear.
6 months?
Yeah.
Irvine problems.
Wow.
That's it. Okay.
Alright, so
Loose.
let me get a pocket screwdriver so that we can start pulling this out. Alright, so the box can come out.
That's it. Now we're going to be replacing this with a Racing Beat intake,
Yes.
which is carb legal, no?
Carb legal.
There you
Guaranteed
go.
to give you power.
Guaranteed to give you a ticket, maybe.
No. Not guaranteed.
Yeah? You got the same thing?
I had the same thing
Had?
until I got my supercharger.
Yeah. Dan said he's going to give us a supercharger
Oh, really?
for free. Yeah. I like that deal. It's amazing. Okay. Good idea. Cover this thing. I need a zip tie on this guy. Right. Now we're gonna pressure wash. This dude ready? Oh. All right, we ready.
Stop for a second.
What?
So avoid that area.
Yeah, I already know that. What else? Oh, sorry. Coil packs, fine. Those are pretty okay to spray.
Yeah, but try to avoid high pressure anyway.
Yeah. What else? Fit.
Or the fuse box. It's anywhere where there's a relay.
Okay. Cool. What about here? Nothing crazy here.
Some of these solenoids are breathable solenoids. So this is like an air filter. So just watch out for a solenoid like that.
Alright. Got it.
Yeah.